Hello children, good morning. Children, today you are going to write your third term exam in English, no? Now we are going to revise for your exam. Your exam portions are Unit 1, 2 and 3 fully. Now we shall revise according to your pattern. Children, you are going to write the exam for 50 marks. Roman number 1, dictation words for 4 marks. Roman number 2, choose the correct answer for 4 marks. Next, Roman number 3, match the following for 4 marks. Roman number 4, write true or false for 4 marks. Roman number 5, choose the correct synonyms for 4 marks. Roman number 6, write the antonyms for 4 marks. Roman number 7, fill in the blanks with suitable articles for 4 marks. Roman number 8, choose the correct describing word and fill in the blanks for 4 marks. Roman number 9, change the sentence into present continuous tense for 4 marks. Next, Roman number 10, quote from your memory for 4 marks. Roman number 11, answer the following for 10 marks. Now we shall see the first Roman dictation words. First one, K-I-N-G-D-O-M, kingdom. Kingdom means Rajyam. Second one, A-D-O-P-T, adopt. Adopt means Tattedutha. Third one, L-E-A-D-E-R, leader. Leader means Talaivar. Next one, N-U-R-T-U-R-E, nurture. Nurture means Valarpu. Next one, F-L-O-U-R-I-S-H-E-D, flourished. Flourished means Selitadu. Next one, R-E-V-E-R-D, revered. Revered means Madhikkapadubavar. Next one, D-E-C-I-D-E, decide. Decide means Mudivu. Next one, T-H-R-O-N-E, throne. Throne means Simhasanam. Next one, A-N-X-I-O-U-S, anxious. Anxious means Arvam. Next one, M-A-N-U-R-E, manure. Manure means Uram. Next one, D-E-S-T-I-N-E-D, destined. Destined means Vidhikkapattavai. Next one, S-I-G-N-A-L, signal. Signal means Saigai. Next one, T-R-O-U-B-L-E, trouble. Trouble means Prachanai. Next one, H-O-N-E-S-T, honest. Honest means Nermayana. Next one, M-E-R-C-H-A-N-T, merchant. Merchant means Vyabari. Next one, J-O-U-R-N-E-Y, journey. Journey means Payanam. Next one, H-A-N-D-L-O-O-M, handloom. Handloom means Kaithari. Next one, P-R-O-F-E-S-S-I-O-N, profession. Profession means Tolil. Next one, B-U-N-C-H-E-S, bunches. Bunches means Kottugal. Next one, C-O-M-F-O-R-T-A-B-L-E, comfortable. Comfortable means Saukaryamana. Next one, B-U-N-D-L-E, bundle. Bundle means Mootai. Next one, S-T-R-U-G-G-L-E, struggle. Struggle means Poratam. Next one, M-A-G-I-C-I-A-N, magician. Magician means Mandiravadi. Next one, I-N-C-I-D-E-N-T, incident. Incident means Nigalvu. Next one, P-L-A-S-T-I-C, plastic. Plastic means Negili. Next one, favorite, favorite. Favorite means பிடித்தமான. Next one, important, important. Important means முக்கியமான. Next one, success, success. Success means வெற்றி. Next one, disability, disability. Disability means இயலாமை. Next one, education, education. Education means கல்வி. Next one, authority, authority. Authority means பொறுப்பு. Next one, huddle, huddle means குழப்பம். Next one, preserve, preserve means பாதுகாக்க. Next one, decoration, decoration. Decoration means அலங்காரம். Next one, imagine, imagine means கற்பனை. Next, Roman number 2, choose the correct option. First one, the kingdom was situated in the foothills of dash. Kollimalai or Sirumalai or Aanaimalai. Which one is the correct answer? Aanaimalai is the correct answer. Next one, the king looked for a dash. A. Minister. B. Leader. C. Great soldier. Which one is correct? Leader is the correct answer. Next one, the king gave dash seats. How many seats did the king give, ma? Do you remember? A option 5, B option 6, C option 7. Which one is the correct answer? 7 seats is the correct answer. Next, in real, the test is for dash. Testing honesty, growing wheat or growing paddy. Which one is the correct answer? Testing honesty is the correct answer. Next one, the merchants sold things made of dash. Gold, silver or brass. Which one is the correct answer? Brass is the correct answer. Next one, the grandmother had kept the plate in the memory of her dash. A option son, B option husband, C option daughter. Which one is the correct answer? Husband is the correct answer. Next one, in real, the plate was made of dash. Gold or silver or brass. Which one is the correct answer? Gold is the correct answer. Next, the merchant paid dash rupees to the boatman. How much did he pay? Can you say the answer? 10 rupees or 8 rupees or 3 gold coins. Which one is the correct answer? 8 rupees is the correct answer. Next one, secondly, the greedy merchant is ready to offer dash rupees. A option 10 rupees, B option 20 rupees, C option horse. Which one is the correct answer, ma? 10 rupees is the correct answer. Next one, Mukut made dash using the dry woods. A. Pots, B. Dolls, C. Cups, D. Deer. Which one is the correct answer? Dolls is the correct answer. Next one, in memory of his mother, he carved dash statue. Golden statue, silver statue, wooden statue or brass statue. Which one is the correct answer? Wooden statue is the correct answer. Next one, dash is a great risk to the environment. Paper or cotton cloth or plastic or wood. Which one is the correct answer? Plastic is the correct answer. Next one, Mukund learnt the art from his dash. Father or mother or grandfather or uncle. Which one is the correct answer? Grandfather is the correct answer. Next one, Dash was helpful for his father to drive out the wild animals. A. Drum. B. Wooden tiger. C. Wooden doll. D. Clay doll. Which one is the correct answer? Wooden tiger is the correct answer. Next one. We dash yarn to make sarees. Weave, water or knead. Which one is the correct answer? Weave is the correct answer. Next one. The brush dash to her will. Grow, bend, chokes. Which one is the correct answer? Chokes is the correct answer. Karthik is a dash. Deaf or blind or dumb. Which one is the correct answer? Blind is the correct answer. Next one. The Delhi government did not allow blind children to study science after dash. 8th standard, 10th standard or 12th standard. Which one is the correct answer? 10th standard is the correct answer. Next one. Finally, dash he got permission to study science. After 11 months, after 7 months or after 9 months. Which one is the correct answer? After 9 months is the correct answer. Next one. He got an admission to study at Stanford University dash. In the USA or in the UK or in Russia. Which one is the correct answer? In the USA is the correct answer. Next one. Krish enjoyed doing all sorts of things except writing and dash. Singing or art or acting. Which one is the correct answer? Which one he did not like to do, ma? Art only, no. So the option is art. Next one. One day Krish tried to draw a dash. Rectangular or circle or triangle. Which one is the correct answer? Circle is the correct answer. Next one. Pencil asked him to draw dash. Pair of eyes, pair of ears or face. Which one is the correct answer? Pair of eyes is the correct answer. Next one. Draw me some hair quickly. I look like a dash. A. Princess. B. Lollipop. C. Prince. Which one is the correct answer? Lollipop is the correct answer. Next, Roman number 3. Match the following. First one, say. Rhyming word of say is day. Second one, all. Rhyming word of all is fall. Third one, go. Rhyming word of go is grow. Fourth one, rhyme. Rhyming word of rhyme is time. Next one, earn. Rhyming word of earn is learn. Next one, fend. Rhyming word of fend is end. Next one, slow. Rhyming word of slow is glow. Next one, play. Rhyming word of play is day. Next, Roman number 4. Write true or false. See the first statement, cuties. The king shouted at Annie. Is it correct? No. So the answer is false. Next one, Annie grew the seeds well. Is this statement correct? No. She did not grow the seeds well. No. So the answer is false. Next one, Annie valued honesty. Yes, this statement is correct only, no ma. She valued honesty, no. So the answer is true. Next one, Mukund loved wild animals. No, he did not love wild animals, no ma. So the answer is false. Next one, Mukund did not cut the raw wood. Do you know the meaning of raw wood? Raw wood means pachai maram. He never cuts the raw wood, no ma. So the answer is true. Next one, he started selling wooden toys at a high price. Is it true? No. So the answer is false. Children, shall we go to the next Roman? Next Roman is choose the correct synonyms. See the first one, revered. Synonym of revered is respected. Next one, anxious. Synonym of anxious is eager. Next one, destiny. Synonym of destiny is fate. Next one, aging. Synonym of aging is getting old. Next one, often. Synonym of often is frequently. Next one, chokes. Synonym of chokes is stops. Next one, drape. Synonym of drape is arrange loosely. Next one, yarn. Synonym of yarn is spun thread used for weaving. Next one, handloom. Synonym of handloom is a manually operated loom. Next one, similar. Synonym of similar is same. Next one, chance. Synonym of chance is opportunity. Next one, potential. Synonym of potential is talent. Next one, inspiring. Synonym of inspiring is to attract. Next one, sincere. Synonym of sincere is truthful. Next one, tackle. Synonym of tackle is to solve. Now we shall see the Roman number 6. Write the antonyms. First one, worthless. Antonym of worthless is worthy. Next one, gather. Antonym of gather is disperse. Next one, different. Antonym of different is same. Next one, difficult. Antonym of difficult is easy. Next one, generous. Antonym of generous is selfish. Next one, comfortable. Antonym of comfortable is uncomfortable. Next one, unique. Antonym of unique is common. Next one, natural. Antonym of natural is artificial. Next one, never. Antonym of never is always. Next one, increase. Antonym of increase is decrease. Next one, proud. Antonym of proud is humble. Next one, together. Antonym of together is separate. Next one, different. Antonym of different is similar. Next one, correct. Antonym of correct is incorrect. Next one, create. Antonym of create is destroy. Next, Roman number 7. Fill in the blanks with suitable articles. Children, how many articles do we have? We have only 3 articles. They are a, an and the. You have to fill these blanks with these 3 articles. Okay. First one, dash earth goes around dash sun. Both earth and sun are unique things, so we have to fill these blanks with the article the. Next one, I bought dash pair of shoes. A pair of shoes. Next one, I am dash university student. Here the word university starts with consonant sound. So, a university student. Next, Kiran sails in dash Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean is the name of an ocean. So, we have to use the article the here. Next one, dash camel is the ship of dash desert. Here we are particularly talking about the camel and desert. So we have to use the article the here. Next one, dash Jungle Book has won many awards. Here Jungle Book refers to the name of a book. So we have to use the article the here. Next one, Harichandra was dash honest king. Here the word honest starts with vowel sound. So we have to use the article and here. Next, I met dash boy in the street. Here the word boy starts with consonant sound. So we have to use the article a here. Next, she returned after dash or. Here the word or starts with vowel sound. So we have to use the article and here. Next, I read dash amazing story yesterday. Here the word amazing starts with vowel sound. So we have to use the article and here. Next, Roman number 8. Choose the correct describing word and fill in the blanks. See the first one. The giraffe is dash. Long, round, thin, yellow, tall. Which describing word shoots the first question? Tall only, no. Next one, its neck is dash. Have you ever seen giraffe, ma? Its neck will be very long only, no. So the answer is long. Next one, its eyes are dash. Its eyes will be in which shape, ma? Do you know? Its eyes will be round in shape. So the answer is round. Next one, its skin is dash. Skin of giraffe will be thin only, no. So the answer is thin. Next one, its tail is dash. Tail of giraffe will be yellow in color. So the answer is yellow. Next, see the topic cuties. Roman number 9. Change the sentence into present continuous tense. Children, in this Roman, the sentence will be in present tense. You have to convert them into present continuous tense. Okay. See the first one. I read the story. Children, remember one thing carefully. While writing continuous tense, you should add ing with the main verb. Okay. So the answer is I am reading the story. Next one, she plays the piano. Add ing with the main verb and convert it into present continuous tense. The answer is she is playing the piano. Next one, Pinku works in a power plant. The answer is Pinku is working in a power plant. Next one, Ananthi helps her friend Janu. Answer is Ananthi is helping her friend Janu. Next one, they draw a picture of a boy. Add ing with the main verb and convert the sentence into present continuous form. They are drawing picture of a boy. Next, Roman number 10. Quote from your memory. You know very well, Be Honest poem is your memory poem. In this poem, you have to memorize the first 4 lines. See the first 4 lines, ma. Amma will often say, be honest all day. Still troubles make me fall. I want to be truthful to all. Children, we will see the next Roman in the next video. Okay.